Hi everyone, welcome back to Creatively Crafted Life. It's Melanie. I'm in the craft room with my SCT sampler. I'm so excited. I think this is one of my favorite kits. Yeah, I was a little disappointed in United States Post Office. Look what they did. They jammed this into my little mailbox. I sure hope the paper is not bent as a result. So I'm going to open this up. I haven't looked. I have no idea what's in here. I think that's it. And I will do some sorting and then we'll look at the contents. Be right back. Okay, so we did have a little bit of damage, and surprisingly it was not the paper. It was this acrylic piece. The D kind of snapped off, but that's okay. I've had this happen before with like wood veneer and stuff, and I just add a little bit of glue and I'll be able to resurrect that or reuse it. So anyways, this is from SCT, the word, which is always quite lovely to have. There was also this geotag, and I'm not quite sure where it came from, given that the only other acrylic piece I had was the Friends, but it doesn't specifically mention this. Now, one of the collections this month is from My Mind's Eye that does have a travel theme, so this could be from there, but I'm not sure. Also from SCT is a card base. This is pretty thick cardstock. It's a good weight. Probably 120 would be my guess. So always can use another card base. From Project Life, we got 2 Project Life cards. Okay, we focused again. So from Project Life, we got 2 Project Life cards. This one is a journaling card, date with the flower on the back. On the other side, it says this week, blank to blank. And this one has a floral motif on it. And the other side has this morning and this evening. From American Crafts, Crate Paper Wild Heart Thicker, we got a sampling of it, of the thickers in this gold glitter. So chill, good times, and the little heart, which is super cute. We also got some basil paper in white, so this is a 6x6 sheet. Always useful. From Heidi Swapp. Actually, I'm going to leave that one last because that's pretty cool. Actually, I forgot. From Close to My Heart, we got some wood veneer. This is, they call it Trinkets Wood Shapes. So we've got a couple arrows, a couple flowers, a couple stars, and another arrow or chevron piece. That was from Close to My Heart. From my Mind's Eye, from the Wander collection, we got some ephemera pieces. So I got this curly arrow, these glasses, a badge, more glasses, yeah, and this bag. And it's green and yellow is kind of the theme, which is kind of cool. A little bit different. We also got a sampling of the puffy stickers. So I got 2 trees, an airplane, and an arrow in the green and yellow and blue. And then the paper we got, I'm going to guess the alignment here. I haven't gotten an email yet that says which is which, so I'm just going to show you the cardstock and tell you which pages or papers they're from. So there's bags, which I think is this one. It's got the various backpacks, purses, briefcases. The other side is this diagonal stripe, which is quite nice. There is one called Dots, so this could be it, or it could be Vista pattern papers. I'm not sure. So it's a green on green dot, and the other side of that, it looks like the 12 by 12 piece is more of a geometric blocked, and so I've got a corner of that. This is Scooters, and on the other side of that is white clouds on a green backdrop. And then like I said, this could either be Dots or the Vista pattern. I'm not sure which one it is. Again, it's another dot, and then on this side is a tone-on-tone yellow stripe. So that is really cool, and I travel, or I like to travel a lot, so that'll be really easy to use. Okay, so last but definitely not least, we got a bunch of stuff from the Heidi Swapp Pineapple Crush collection, and I saw bits and pieces of this at Creativation and I just fell in love with it from what I saw, so I couldn't wait to get this collection, and I'm even more happy now that I've gotten parts of it in this kit. So we got the little puffy stickers, and it's got a tropical feel to it, right? So they've got some more glasses. Probably my least favorite ephemera piece to use, but okay, we'll figure it out. A flamingo, flower, heart, and a palm tree. And then we've got some of the ephemera pieces. So life is beautiful. There are some of these, what do they call them? Acetate pieces in here. So I've got seize the day, a star, a heart, another star, and then this floral in black. I don't know if you can see that. Let me see if I put it on some white. Let me see that a little better. Very cool. And then a couple tags with the pineapple, and also a pineapple. The cardstocks, I have no idea which is which. So it says we have Breezy, Crush, Cabana, Aloha, Tide Pool, and Palm Beach. So those are them. I'll just show you. This is a pink and white broad stripe. This is like a distressed pink on white background. We've got parts of the pineapple. So this one doesn't translate so well in just a 6x6 form. I'm sure as a 12x12 piece it's quite spectacular, especially if you wanted to fussy cut this out. But the other side is a green striped piece striped pattern, which is definitely usable. This is a aqua watercolor background, and on the other side is a stripe. You can see that. This looks like palm fronds, and the other side is a painted messy black stripe. We've got some painted large polka dots, and the other side is a script in black. It says dreams, sunshine, good vibes, repeated over and over. And then there is a black and white floral, and the other side is this geometric in black and gray. So very cool. But I can't believe this. I think this is just fabulous. We get the stamp set. The full stamp set. That's pretty awesome. So we've got Adventure, Fun, Shine, Go, See, Do, Play All Day, some florals, some leaves, Enjoy the View, the pineapple, and they do it as 2 different images, which makes it really easy for stamping in different colors. Some more palm fronds, flamingo, Brighter Days Ahead, a striped heart, and then some of those tropical kind of leaves. So I am very excited about this. So before I leave you today, I'm just going to give you some of the information about the sampler kit if this is something that you are interested in. This is my 6th month of receiving. I actually prepaid for the entire year, and I have not yet been disappointed by the products that are in here. I think you more than get your money's worth, and it's a great way to get a sampling of some of the products. And there's enough product here typically to do some scrapbook pages, but if you're a card maker, it's also great for that. It is a bit of a different kit in that it's usually bits and pieces of collections as opposed to a curated kit per se, and it really is what it says. It's a sampler pack, right? So what you see here is what I got from the packs, like the ephemera packs and stuff, and someone else would have gotten another 6 pieces of something else in the kit. So everybody's kit is going to look just a little bit different. So as far as the price goes, it's $12 a month, which includes shipping to Canada and the US. It does not include any taxes in Canada. If you are international, it would be an additional $10 US. The pre-order period is open from the 15th to the 25th of each month, so you do have to get in that time slot if you want the next month. The 12 months, it's a 12 months of subscription is a $12 per month. So if you pre-purchase 12 months, if you only want to subscribe for 6 months, it's $13.50, and 3 months is $15 per month. Okay, so the price will range anywhere from $12 to $15 depending on the length of term of your subscription. So I was curious how much this particular stamp set would cost. Usually stamps about this size run you at $15, but that is usually for photopolymer. And based on the website, or what I can find on the internet, these are acrylic. So they are a cheaper quality versus photopolymer. So usually they stamp okay, but not nearly as good as photopolymer. So I just went on Simon Says Stamp, and it runs, it's $3.99. Okay, so $3.99 for the stamp set. So if you think you're spending $12 for the entire kit, this is already $4 of the kit. So I think that's a pretty good deal.
And that's it. Until next time, happy crafting.